Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 12-inch MDF base. I found the center, drew circles, created grids. Let's get started with dotting now. I'll start with dotting in the center in parrot green. In the next circle, I'll be dotting in red. Now I'll keep tiny red dots. Now I'll keep straight swipe in parrot green by keeping a dot and then making it to a swipe. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep straight swipes in red. Now I'm going to drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep some green dots. Now I'll keep red dots. Now I'll work the dots in red. I'll keep straight swipe in green in between working the dots in red. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep green dots in the next circle. Now I'll keep tiny dots in green. I'll keep some red dots now. Now I'll keep tiny dots in red. Now I'll keep some dots in green. Now I'll keep some dots in red. I'll work the dots in red now. I'll work the dots again in red. Now I'll keep some green dots. Now I'll keep red dots. Now I'll keep some more red dots. Now I'll work the dots in green. Now I'll work the dots in red. I'll work the dots again in red. Now I'll keep straight swipe in red. I'll keep a plumpy dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep two side swipes in green. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. So now I'm going to drag these green dots into swipes. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.